Today, we will be exploring the 2024 total solar eclipse in great detail. Get ready for an exciting journey where we'll explore what makes this celestial event so special and how you can witness it firsthand. Get your calendars out because on April 8, 2024, something truly amazing is happening. It's a total solar eclipse, and it's going to be visible across Mexico, the United States, and Canada. This is a rare chance to see the sun disappear behind the moon, casting a shadow across the land. Let's start with the basics. A total solar eclipse happens when the moon moves in front of the sun, blocking its light for a little while. It's like a big shadow passing over Earth, turning day into a temporary night. And during this time, something incredible happens. We get to see the sun's outer atmosphere, called the corona, shining brightly in the sky. If you're curious about catching a glimpse of the upcoming solar eclipse, you might be wondering where exactly you can witness this incredible event. The path of totality, which is the area where the sun will be completely obscured by the moon, stretches from the southern border of Mexico all the way up to the northern border of Canada. This means that if you're located in any of the cities along this path, you're in for an unforgettable experience that you won't want to miss. So, if you're fortunate enough to be in this prime viewing area, make sure to take advantage of this rare opportunity to witness one of nature's most awe-inspiring spectacles. The best time to see the total solar eclipse depends on where you are along the path. From the beautiful beaches of Mexico to the stunning landscapes of Canada, there are plenty of places to catch this cosmic show. Just make sure to plan ahead and find a good spot to watch from. What makes the 2024 eclipse so special? Well, for starters, it's going to last longer than the one we saw in 2017. Plus, the sun's corona is going to be extra bright and beautiful because the sun is in a really active phase right now. It's like getting front row seats to the greatest show in the universe. But before you get too excited, remember to stay safe. You should never look directly at the sun, even during an eclipse. Make sure to wear special eclipse glasses to protect your eyes, especially if you're in the path of totality. Safety first, always. Even if you're not in the path of totality, you can still catch a partial solar eclipse. Here's a breakdown of some major cities and the percentage of the sun that will be covered during the peak of the eclipse, along with the local time. Los Angeles, 49% coverage at 11:12 a.m. Chicago, 94% coverage at 2:07 p.m. Houston, 94% coverage at 1:40 p.m. Philadelphia, 88% coverage at 3:23 p.m. San Antonio, 99.9% coverage at 1:34 p.m. San Diego, 54% coverage at 11:11 a.m. San Jose, 35% coverage at 11:13 a.m. Toronto, 99.9% coverage at 3:19 p.m. That means you'll see the moon partially covering the sun, creating some pretty cool shadows and lighting effects. It's definitely worth checking out if you can. Now for those of you who love adventure, there are some really awesome places to see the eclipse from. Whether you're up for a hike in the mountains or a road trip to a remote location, there's no shortage of amazing spots to choose from. Just make sure to pack your camera. Speaking of cameras, don't forget to bring yours along to capture this once-in-a-lifetime event. With the right equipment and a little bit of luck, you'll be able to snap some truly amazing photos of the eclipse to share with your friends and family. Here are the major metropolitan areas in the U.S. Northeast, New York, Boston, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., Chicago, and St. Louis are all within a 2 or 3 hour drive of totality. This eclipse is expected to draw significant travel interest. Additionally, cities just outside the path of totality, such as St. Louis, Memphis, Louisville, Cincinnati, Columbus, Detroit, Toronto, Ottawa, and Quebec City, are likely to experience a surge in day trippers eager to witness the total eclipse. So, get ready to witness the total solar eclipse of 2024 and experience the magic of the universe in a whole new way. Until then, keep looking up at the sky and dreaming of the wonders that await us. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure.